Hi, this is John with Designer Appliances, New Jersey and New York's premier interactive appliance showroom. Here's our top 5 picks to consider in 2019. So let's get started. At number 1, we have the Cafe CHP9530 2MSS, which offers just about everything you could possibly need in an induction cooktop. It features 4 elements of various sizes, 3 of them high-powered, and features powerful touch controls and a gorgeous stainless steel trim. It even comes with a griddle pan to give you increased cooking capabilities, perfect for cooking on larger rectangular pans. Both their high heat and low heat capabilities are outstanding. In tests, this cooktop was able to bring a large pot of water to boil as fast or faster than every other cooktop on the market. Owner satisfaction on the Cafe series is extremely high, and we've also found them to be incredibly reliable for long-term use. Looking for something with advanced tech features? The Samsung NZ36K7880UG is a stylishly designed and luxuriously appointed induction cooktop with all the bells and whistles. The cooktop features 5 total elements, with 4 high-power elements all controlled by intuitively designed touch controls. The stainless steel trim surrounding the cooktop is an excellent and stylish choice, while powerful features like Wi-Fi enabled connectivity give you more flexibility and control over your cooking experience than ever. The flexible cooking zones on this model allow you to adapt your cooking surface based on the shapes and sizes of your cookware, and the cooktop even includes a magnetic knob that can be used in place of the touch controls if you prefer a more traditional style of control for your cooking. Perhaps one of the flashiest features of the Samsung induction cooktop is its virtual flame feature, which projects flame images onto the bottom of your cookware in order to indicate that it's being heated by the induction element below. It's user-savvy features like these that earn Samsung a spot on this list. Looking for a sleek design? Next on our list is the Bosch 800 series NIT8069UC, which features 4 burners and a distinctive jet black design profile. All 4 elements are high-powered while also being capable of heating at extremely low heat levels. And this model also features impressive and intuitive touch controls. This Bosch cooktop also features Auto Chef, which allows for programmed and preset cooking settings that allow for impressive customization of your cooking experience. You'll also find a range of other features, including auto sizing designed to accommodate pots and pans of various sizes. With excellent reliability and owner satisfaction levels, this makes Bosch an excellent choice to invest in. Another luxury choice is the Wolf CI365 TS. Wolf has been an industry leader in high quality and high-end cooktops for some time, and their induction cooktop series is definitely no exception. This model features 5 elements, 3 of them high-powered, and also boasts the intuitive touch controls of its competitors. The stainless steel trim surrounding the cooktop's border is impressively stylish, and the subtle element markings result in a minimalist aesthetic that many decor-minded buyers will love. Wolf's induction cooktop ranks highly in reliability, customer satisfaction, and performance, both at high heat and low heat, flexible enough to handle the full range of at-home cooking tasks. It also features the bridge element feature standard in high-end induction cooktops that allows you to cook with larger rectangular pans. And finally, the most advanced induction cooktop on our list is the Thermidor CIT30XWBV. Thermador has been a trusted brand in the appliance market for some time, and their cooktops consistently receive high marks across a wide range of criteria. Unlike other models on this list that have dedicated burner zones, this cooktop gives you the freedom to place your cookware anywhere on the large cook surface for up to 4 pots or pans. The surface will automatically detect the size and location of your pan and give you control of the temperature via the integrated touchscreen display. The display itself boasts an intuitive and brightly lit touchscreen to make controlling your cooktop easy and streamlined. The stainless steel trim of the cooktop is neat and minimalist while also packing a visual punch, and the flexible cooking zones are designed to give you options when it comes to the size of your cookware and general cooking tasks. Buyers love the incredibly precise and powerful cooking capabilities of this high-end cooktop, whether they're cooking at high or low heats for a variety of tasks. Those are our top picks for 2019, and we look forward to helping you select the best appliances for your home when you visit one of our showroom locations in New Jersey. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide helpful tips and advice that will help make you an educated appliance shopper.